Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to ignore group chats in Messenger. So guys, you're not able to find any of option for ignore messages in Messenger. So we will go with the Facebook Lite. Just simply you have to download Facebook Lite into your phone. Then you have to go on your messages. Select the group from here and then you have to hit on this settings button, which is top right corner of the screen. Now you have to go with the report. Select any of member from here and then you have to go with scams. Once you reach to this page, you have to hit on submit report. And here you will see mute conversation option. With this option, you can ignore messages in Messenger. So we are going to hit on this. Select your right one and then hit on OK. Now you have to hit on done. And that's it guys. All your messages and group chats will be mute or ignore by follow these simple steps. So that's it guys. How to ignore group chats on Messenger. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.